Hey everyone, welcome back to IGNOU Mentor. I am Sumit Kumar Gupta, and in today's video, I'm going to help you understand how to make your BPCE-144 project report, the most important component of your Masters of Arts in Psychology program under Indira Gandhi National Open University. So, let's continue with the understanding of BPCE 144 project. BPCE 144 is the project work paper for the Masters in Psychology program under IGNOU. It's designed to evaluate your ability to apply psychological theories and research methods to real life situations. This project helps you develop essential research skills like problem identification, hypothesis forming, data collection, statistical analysis, and report writing, all of which are crucial for any psychological professional. Now, the most important thing is finalizing your project topic, right? So, your first step is selecting suitable topic. The topic should match your area of interest. For example, stress management among teachers, emotional intelligence and job performance, impact of social media on mental health, or relationship between personality or academic achievement. So I'm going to show you some of the topics that may be suitable for you, right? So on this particular website, I'm just showing you some what are the sample topics for IGNOU BPCE 144 project. So let's understand the topic. Study of role commitment and occupational stress among secondary school teachers. Effects of counseling on the academic achievement and study habit of underachievers in particular district. You may put your district here. Study of role commitment and occupational stress among secondary school teachers, learning styles of adolescent students, a comparative study between government and private schools, effects of arithmetical ability and study habits on the achievement in mathematics at secondary school students, to study the impact of a school environment and home environment on the academic achievement of scheduled caste students, study social intelligence and academic achievement of the college students, and many more. Like, you can take these kind of topics related to your place, so that you can easily get the data and make the project on it. Now the second thing is writing proposal. Once you finalize your project topic, you should go ahead and make your synopsis, right? So I'm taking you to the guideline of BPCE 144. This is the dissertation guideline. If you want the guideline, you may comment me, or you can directly WhatsApp me for a quick reply, so that I can give you this particular guideline. Or if you want to download it, you can download it from your browser, searching BPCE 144 dissertation guideline, right? Now I'm taking you to directly. However, there are so many things given here. I'm just making it quick. I'm just taking you to the project proposal part. How can it be made? Okay. So this is 3.2 synopsis, preparation and submission, right? So you should understand what are the steps, what are the components of a project proposal, right? So this, see, the synopsis needs to be approved by the academic counselor at the study center. See this, your project proposal has to be approved by the academic counselor at the study center, and then only you can send it to the IGNOU Medangadi. Okay. Now title page, you have to add the title page. Introduction you have to write, and how you can write, you have to write, it is given here in the guideline. The section should be introduce the topic selected by the learner. It can also give a brief description of the variables taken. Okay, now the review of literature. So what are the review of literature? What do you mean by review of literature? If you want a brief video on it, you can comment me so that I can make a particular video on review of literature. However, I'm telling you in a very short form that review of literatures are the studies which have been already done in the same area. You have to study it for your project report preparation so that you will get an idea how can be made. Okay, now the rationale of this study. Rationale, why you're doing this study, you have to write. Methodology. Now under the methodology you have to put research design, objective, hypothesis, operational definition, sample population, research design, test and tools, data analysis techniques, that has to be given here. Okay, and at last you have to put the references from where you have taken this information. You have to write the references and bibliography in APA format like already given here. Okay, now this was about the synopsis. Let's move towards how the preparation of projects. Like so it is 4.1 in the guideline, format of the dissertation report, right? The dissertation should be in the following format, right? So title page, same as proposal. Now certificate of originality, this is the appendix. You may find it in the guideline at last. Okay, and also you can download it from internet. Certificate of originality, acknowledgement, this is appendix 5. This is also given in the guideline. Now table of contents. In the table of contents you have to put the synopsis first that you have already made, and it has to be approved by IGNOU, right? So now you have to put the table of content, then synopsis, then introduction. You have to give the project introduction, review of literature. You need to write at least 5-6 researches. However, you may put more than that. Then rational, then methodology you have to put, and then you have to put the chapter of results and discussion. The data you have collected, you have to analyze it and put it in the tabulated or graphical form so that your data representation will be there in your project, and you will get excellent mark for your project report. And after that you have to finalize it and write the conclusion. Then implications you have to write. Implication of the findings needs to be pointed out in this section. And limitations, what limitations you have faced while making your project report, that has to be given. And after that, suggestions for further researches. Okay, and then references in APA format you have to give. Okay, so these are all the things that you have to prepare for it, right? So this is only for the synopsis and project report preparation. If you want me to make a particular video on how to submit the project report, or how to find a supervisor for the project report, what the qualification of supervisor, you may write in the comments so that I can give you proper guidance for that as well. Now let me just tell you. Okay, see here it is given chapterization of final dissertation. Okay, so in this you can say title page, you can see title page, certificate, table of contents, synopsis. Chapterization should be like this: introduction. It's about projects. So chapterization should be introduction, review of literature, rationale of the study, and methodology, result discussion, conclusion and implication, delimitation, limitation and future suggestions, reference and appendices. So this would be the chapterization of your project report. Okay, now how you can format it. Okay, so as per the guideline, you always have to use A4 size of paper while printing your or making your project in the you know, a Word, MS Word file, or while printing it, use A4 size paper. It should be in Times New Roman format, and the size of font should be 12, and the line spacing must be 1.5 only. It's given here where the proposal is already. I have shown you 3.2. What is it? 3.2. Okay. So it's given here A4 size paper, Times New Roman, 12 and 1.5 spacing. It has to be given, and should have a word limit 1000. It's about word limit is about the synopsis. It has to be made in 1000 words only, like 3-4 pages. It's given here 3-4 pages, but as per my experience, nobody accept the project proposal of 3-4 pages of this particular program. You have to make at least 10 to 12 pages proposal, so that it won't be rejected by your supervisor. Till now, I have not experienced a single synopsis which has been updated with 3-4 pages for this particular program. That's why I'm telling you my personal experience. However, in your study center, what is happening, you can ask there and prepare the proposal as per the suggestions of your counselor at the study center. Okay, now okay, I'm just telling you one thing. If once your project report is ready, get it signed by your project guide and include a certificate of originality. Then submit it either online or IGNOU portal or offline at your regional center, depending upon your current IGNOU guidelines. Okay. Remember, and this project is not just academic requirement, it's a chance to explore human behavior scientifically and contribute your own findings to the field of psychology. Okay, so always try to give your 100% for uh, making your project report. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel IGNOU Mentor for more project guidance videos. You can also visit my website or contact me for personalized help with project topics, synopsis approval and report preparation. Thank you for watching and all the best for your BPCE 144 project. Keep learning, keep growing and stay motivated. See you in the next video. Have a great day.